So we're looking at first principle, a method to solve differentiation. Now, first principle is, for instance, when we have a function of y is a function of x, it implies that y is dependent on x, and x is what is an independent variable, while y is a dependent variable. So the value of y depends on the value of x. So when we talk about first principle is about the idea of a little increase in the value of y, which will cause a little increase in the value of x. A little increase which is not 0 and not 1. A little increase which is not 0 and not 1. So that increase is what is denoted by delta x or delta y. So which means you have y plus delta y equals x plus delta x. So this is the idea of first principle. A little increase which is not 0 and which is not 1. A little increase that at the end of the day, if we approximate it, it will eventually give us 0. So now, a little increase in y will give us a little increase in x. Same thing, a little increase in x will give us a little increase in y. So for me now, what do we do? We are going to shift this function of y, this y, but we bring it over to this other side. So we are going to have delta y equals to f of x plus delta x, which is an increase in x. So when this crosses this bridge, it changes to minus y. Now, from the question, y is what is a function of x, it implies y is x, y is a function of x, y is what is f of x. So we can replace y with f of x. So we have delta y equals to f of x plus delta x minus. So instead of writing our y, which is the same thing as the function of x, we have f of x. So now we have a change in y, which denotes the little increase in y equals f of x plus a little increase in x minus f of x, which is our y. So from here we divide both sides by what? By delta x. So we have delta x divided by delta x. So this delta x and delta y, it implies a change. It means a little change in x. It means what? A little change in y over a little change in x. And that is, change is about the idea of difference in mathematics, minus. So this initially is what? Y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So change in y over change in x will now become what? The derivative is going to become dy over dx. Dy over dx equals what? Then we will now introduce limit. So limit, when this becomes dy over dx, then we are going to apply our limit. So this will become the limit of this function what over delta x as our delta x approaches 0. So this is the formula for first principle. So this is the method we use to solve. This is what we use in solving first principle. So we can use this method. This is it is a differentiation method. One of the methods we use to solve differentiation, which is the first principle. This is the formula for the first principle. A little increase in the value of y will cause a little increase in the value of x. So this is the formula for first principle. So if you find this helpful, do well to hit the notification button and do well to hit the subscription button, so you'll be notified whenever we drop a video. Thank you.